If you're experiencing controller drift in Call of Duty, it can be frustrating. Here is a simple guide to help you enable or adjust settings to manage this issue effectively. Step 1. Access game settings. Open Call of Duty and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the settings option, usually found in the lower section of the screen. Step 2. Select controller settings. Within the settings menu, find and select the controller tab. This section contains all the options related to your controller's functionality and sensitivity. Step 3. Adjust sensitivity settings. Look for the sensitivity settings, which may include options for horizontal and vertical sensitivity. Lowering these values can help reduce the impact of drift by making your aim more stable. Step 4. Enable aim assist. In the controller settings, find the aim assist option and ensure it is enabled. This feature can help counteract minor drift by providing additional support when aiming. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making adjustments, return to the game and test your controller's performance. Play a few matches to see if the drift has improved. If necessary, revisit the settings to make further adjustments. By following these steps, you should be able to manage controller drift effectively in Call of Duty. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.